Boys and girls, welcome to Siddha Cosmic Enlightenment International. We call everyone as boys and girls because all the elders, we want them to feel the good time when they were boys or girls. Keep them in the youthful moments, youthful health and youthful harmonious situations. Today, first time in the history of the world, we are gifting you today the perfect, the divine light meditation, the most charismatic, most result oriented, which is once all the solutions for most of your issues of your life. Boys and girls, but this time we are gifting you. We need an assurance from you. Please, a good, gentle promise that you will share this video with 21 most favorite, most needy people of your friends or family circle. Is it a gentle promise? I take it as your permission. Let's sit for the divine light meditation. So, ready? Please have a comfortable position. Either you can sit in a Padmasana posture on the ground, or a prayer mat, or even you can sit in a chair. And if you can, connect with your thumb and your index finger throughout this 10 to 15 minutes meditation. That would be lovely. This will make you settle your thoughts. It will help you to remain calm, and your eyes is going to be remain closed throughout this next meditation periods. So sit, relax. Keep your eyes closed. Take deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Continue the deep breathe in and breathe out process. Focus the middle of your eyebrow, the third eye place. Just visualize you're bowing on your third eye, both eyeballs focusing on the center of your third eye. Now visualize a beautiful light appearing on your third eye. It's the size of a flame, like a body is burning. It's a beautiful divine light flame right now in your third eye. Just bow yourself to the divine third eye, the beautiful divine flame. Say to the divine flame, the divine light, thank you for coming. Now, with all the respect, with all the devotion, with all the love, just just visualize you're moving both palms toward the divine light, as if you are touching the divine light with your palm. Now visualize you are moving your right feet, just stepping into the divine light flame, because the divine light flame, the size, the height is almost equal to the height of you. Now your right feet along with your knee and right thigh is fully into the divine light flame. Now move your left feet so as your knee and thigh to the divine flame. Now your both leg is completely into the divine light. Now just move your right hand into the divine light. Now move your left hand into the divine light. So your divine light has completely shallowed your both legs and your both hands. Now move your belly to the divine light. Just visualize. So when you are moving, your bums, your belly, your navel is completely into the divine light. Now move your chest into the divine light. Now move your head, move your face to the divine light. See, the divine light is touching your nose, your lips, your chin, your cheeks, and your forehead fully. Now move yourself. Your neck is also into the divine light. Now you are completely into the divine light. Now move yourself 1 feet more to the center of the divine light. Now you are completely into the divine light. Just visualize you are taking one clockwise rotation in the divine light. The light is also moving in a breezeful form. Now you are completely into the divine light. Just because you are in the divine light, take deep breath in. And while you take the deep breath in, the divine light is going into the nasal, it's going up to your lungs. Now the divine light is spreading in deep within yourself, It is spreading in your throat, making the throat more brighter. It is spreading into your mouth, into your tongue. It is completely shallowing the teeth of both sides. Now the divine light is spreading down to your chest area. It's completely spreading all the sides of the chest. It is spreading into your heart. It is just like see the visuals, the beautiful visuals of divine light spreading down, like how the fire catches the flames of the divine light, moving down, shallowing the liver, pancreas, stomach, all respiratory, all intestine, completely up to your navel. It is spreading, going down to your genitals, more moving to your thighs, your knee, and spreading up to your feet. The fingers of the feet is completely filled with the divine light. Your shoulder, your ankle, your palm, the fingers, all inside fully filled with divine lights. Now it is spreading on to the head portion. Your ear is completely filled with the divine lights. Your eyes inside is full of the divine lights. Is flaming like anything. It is spreading into your entire head, your forehead, your top of your head, your crown chakra, the lotus shaped petals on top of your head. Now the divine light is spreading into all your nerve systems, all your skeleton bodies, completely. You are fully emerged into the deep divine light. The density of the light flame is so much. You have completely transferred yourself into the divine light. You have merged yourself to the divine light, and you see there is no difference between the light and yourself. There is no difference between the light and yourself. You had become the light. You had become the light. You are the light. You are the light. You are the light. And when you are the light, all the deceived, destructive, darkened energy has completely melted and diluted with the divine light. All the problems are completely melted in the divine lights. All the weakened, painful, unhealthy cells are completely revived by the divine light. All the blockages are completely diluted by the divine light, and it has transformed into opportunities. All the grief, sorrow, sadness are fully diluted and converted into pure happiness. All the pain, suffocation has been diluted and converted into the pure form of love. You are the most beautiful, divine light of the universe because you are the divine light. All the peace, all the love, all the happiness is entering inside you. You are the most luckiest person. You are the most divine person. You are the most handsome, beautiful person thanks to the divine light. And you have become the divine light. You are that pillar of light who is becoming the lighthouse. Say thank you to the divine light. Thank you to the divine light. Thank you to the divine light. Just feel the deep breath in and deep breath out. Just for a courtesy, thank from your heart to the person who is taking you to the divine light, just to say your gratitude of thankness because you are being gifted by this divine light formations. Continue deep breathe in and breathe out. Focus on your third eye, the place between your eyebrows. Just bow yourself. Now you are going to enter yourself to a new world of light, new world of divinity, new world of opportunities. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now come back slowly. Rub your hands, rub your palm, open your eyes and put on the face. Boys and girls, hope you enjoyed this divine meditation. Practice this next 21 days. Preferably to practice early in the morning, not in the noon time. Preferably any time between 5 to 10 a.m. It's the most ideal time. Do it only once a day at a stretch. Do it for 21 days minimum. Thereafter you can do up to the entire year or your rest of your life because it's a gift for you. But remember, don't forget, share with your loved ones, your families, your friends, because this is going to really work. It has been tested and everyone has the results. So you will also have the beautiful results. Lovely. Best wishes from Dr. Palakal. Thank you. You can also log into my website www.siddhacosmic.org www.siddhacosmic.org. Signing off by Dr. Palakal. Please bear all the best wishes. Embrace the divine world of beautiful, divine light of happiness, peace, love, harmony. It's a promise. Good luck to you.